What's going on, class? I'm your instructor, Professor Jizzle, and today I'm here to teach you how to print t-shirts with something as simple as your phone. Here at T-Shirt College, we cover heat transfer vinyl, Cricut, heat press, transfer paper, sublimation, designing, marketing, and everything in between. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be up to date on what's going on in class. Let's get today's lesson started. Today's class, I'm going to show you guys how to outline an image with no background. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to cut the background out, but I'll leave that link at the top of the screen right now if you don't remember how. So you can change the size however thick you want it, however thin you want it, to your liking. You can do it with anything with a transparent background. And you gotta get it just right, just how you like it. And if this was the image that I was going to print it with the inkjet printer, I would leave it like that and just print it. But I'm going to show you guys, if you were to bring it into Design Space, what you would do. Basically, you would take the image that you just made with the border around it and open up Design Space first. Then you'll upload the image you just made with the border around it. There's no background, so all you have to do is save it, because it's like you're gonna cut it. It's like you're gonna cut vinyl. You will take that image, then you will upload the original image. You'll need your background color. And your top layer color. So, no top layer black, bottom layer red. Then you'll adjust the size so it'll fit your mat. Mirror the image. Since it's heat transfer vinyl. Class dismissed. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with class. You can also follow us on IG.